Cardano is a third-generation, decentralized proof-of-stake blockchain platform designed to be a more efficient alternative to proof-of-work networks. Scalability, interoperability, and sustainability on proof-of-work networks like Ethereum are limited by the infrastructure burden of growing costs, energy use, and slow transaction times. Charles Hoskinson, the co-founder of the proof-of-work blockchain, Ethereum, understood the implications of these challenges to blockchain networks and began developing Cardano and its primary cryptocurrency ADA in 2015, launching the platform and the ADA token in 2017. The Cardano platform runs on the Ouroboros consensus protocol. Ouroboros, created by Cardano in its foundation phase, is the first POS protocol that not only was proved to be secure, but was also the first to be informed by scholarly academic research. Each development phase or era in the Cardano roadmap is anchored by the research-based framework, incorporating peer-reviewed insights with evidence-based methods to make progress towards and achieve the milestones related to the future directions of the use applications of both the blockchain network and the ADA token. Charles Hoskinson, the co-founder of Ethereum, began the development of Cardano in 2015 and launched the platform in 2017. Cardano has positioned itself as an alternative to Ethereum. Both platforms are used for similar applications, such as smart contracts, and have goals of building a connected and decentralized system. Cardano considers itself as an updated version of Ethereum and has anointed itself a third-generation platform over Ethereum's second-generation credentials. The blockchain platform also has a goal of providing banking services to the world's unbanked. Cardano's main applications are in identity management and traceability. The former application can be used to streamline and simplify processes that require the collection of data from multiple sources. The latter application can be used to track and audit a product's manufacturing processes from provenance to finished goods, and potentially eliminate the market for counterfeit goods. Oversight of the advancement of the Cardano protocol ecosystem is decentralized and responsibilities are shared by Cardano's partners, the Cardano Foundation, IOHK, and Emergo. The Cardano Foundation, a not-for-profit organization, is the legal custodian responsible for the primary oversight and supervision of the Cardano brand. The foundation advances the visibility of the protocol on the global stage, cultivates use case opportunities, and connects with policymakers, regulators, and academia. IOHK is a software engineering and technology company responsible for building Cardano. With a research arm dedicated to promoting blockchain education, IOHK works closely with academic partners to not only further its education mission, but also improve the long-term scalability of the Cardano protocol by using the most recent peer-reviewed scientific research to inform platform updates before implementation. Emergo is the global technology partner responsible for driving the commercial adoption of the Cardano protocol, integrating businesses across a wide range of sectors into their blockchain system. Cardano is being built in 5 phases towards achieving its goal of developing the network into a decentralized application development platform with a multi-asset ledger and verifiable smart contracts. Each of the 5 phases is named after an influential historical figure and are colloquially referred to as an era. The 5 phases or eras are Foundation, the Byron era, Decentralization, the Shelley era, Smart contracts, the Goguen era, Scaling, the Basho era, and Governance, the Voltaire era. The organizations behind Cardano have released 3 products: Atala Prism, Atala Scan, and Atala Trace. The first product is marketed as an identity management tool that can be used to provide access to services. For example, it can be used to verify credentials to open a bank account or eligibility for government aid. The other 2 products are being used to trace a product's journey through a supply chain. Cardano is also developing a smart contract platform that will serve as a stable and secure platform for the development of enterprise-level decentralized apps. In the near future, the team at Cardano plans to use a democratic on-chain governance system called Project Catalyst to manage the development and execution of projects. They will also revamp their treasury management system to fund future costs using Project Catalyst. The heart of any blockchain platform is the algorithm it uses to create blocks and validate transactions. Cardano uses Ouroboros, an algorithm that uses proof-of-stake protocol to mine blocks. The protocol is designed to reduce energy expenditure during the block production process to a minimum. It does this by eliminating the need for harsh power or massive computing resources that are central to the functioning of the proof-of-work algorithm used by Bitcoin. In Cardano's POS system, staking determines a node's capability to create blocks. A node's stake is equal to the amount of ADA, Cardano's cryptocurrency, held by it over the long term. On a broad level, Ouroboros works as follows. It divides physical time into epochs that are made of slots, which are fixed periods of time. Slots are similar to working shifts at a factory. Currently, an epoch lasts 5 days, and a slot lasts 1 second, but these numbers are configurable and can be changed after an update proposal. Epochs work in a circular fashion. When one ends, another starts. Each slot has a leader chosen by a lottery system. In this system, the higher the stake, the better the chances of winning the lottery. Slot leaders are responsible for the following tasks: validating transactions, creating transaction blocks, and adding newly created blocks to the Cardano blockchain. Ouroboros requires a small number of ADA holders to be online and maintain good network connectivity. To further cut down on energy consumption, the algorithm contains the concept of stake pools. ADA holders can organize themselves into stake pools and elect a few to represent the pool during protocol execution, making it easy to participate and ensuring block creation even if some of them are offline. A stake pool is a reliable server node that is committed to run the protocol 24/7 on behalf of the contributing ADA holders. Stake pools hold the combined stake of various stakeholders in a single entity and are responsible for processing transactions and producing new blocks. In a proof-of-work system, the economic incentives for miners to participate in the network and create blocks are rewards of the cryptocurrency and transaction fees. Ouroboros collects rewards from an epoch and distributes them among stake pools and stakeholders. Each is rewarded based on the proportion of their stake contributed during the epoch, meaning a higher stake will receive more rewards. For now, Cardano's primary use is as a cryptocurrency. ADA, its cryptocurrency, is part of Cardano's settlement layer. Cardano is often referred to as the Japanese Ethereum, and reports last year indicated that it was being made available in Japan through ATMs and debit cards. Cardano has ambitious plans for the future and intends to move beyond the settlement layer to a control layer, which will serve as a trusted computation framework for sophisticated systems such as gambling and gaming systems. Other applications outlined in its website are identity management, a credit system, and Daedalus, a universal cryptocurrency wallet with automated crypto trading facility and crypto to fiat conversion capabilities. It is not clear whether ADA would play an important role in the planned systems. As mentioned earlier, the nonprofit foundation that runs Cardano has built an extensive list of partner institutions to refine its algorithms and develop new governance structures. According to Hoskinson, the partnership is mutually beneficial because Cardano's research project aligns with academic incentives with the cryptocurrency industry's expectations. As impressive its pedigree and ambitions are, Cardano's ADA has the same flaw as other cryptocurrencies. It has little to show by way of implementation. The blockchain was released only in September 2017, and the limited number of nodes within its network are all controlled by the foundation. Hoskinson had said that its data scaling efforts would not bear fruit until 2019. Several innovations in the system, such as its aim of standardizing protocols, are still in research phase and will be implemented only as Cardano's use cases grow. In its current state, Cardano's technology is also unproven. Critics have charged that an approach modeled on proof of stake could end up as a plutocracy, where nodes with highest stakes would run the show. Even as it conducts research to refine its algorithms, the Cardano Foundation's roadmap indicates that a complete version of its technology will be released during the second quarter of this year. A more comprehensive evaluation of its prospects can only occur then. The cryptocurrency also faces fierce competition from other cryptocurrencies in a crowded ecosystem. Litecoin, a Bitcoin offshoot, is angling for a similar role for daily transactions. Dash, which has inspired Cardano's approach to governance, also has identical aspirations. Ripple might provide strong competition to Cardano's ambitions of becoming a bridge between the existing financial system and cryptocurrencies. It would seem then that Cardano's current price is not justified. However, it might be unwise to dismiss Cardano's valuation as a bubble. Present cryptocurrency prices are based on future markets. This means that traders are raking in profits based on future growth prospects. Cardano differs from other cryptocurrencies in several ways, but if it succeeds, it could become one of the leading networks used by decentralized applications designed to cut out intermediaries and their associated costs in fields such as finance and computing. Here are the pros and cons to consider when deciding whether to buy ADA. Pro number 1, well-known leadership. Cardano founder Charles Hoskinson was also a co-founder of Ethereum. He has said his latest project is a logical next step of the ideas that have been simmering in the blockchain space. Pro number 2, academic review. Cardano presents itself as a product of unique academic rigor. The platform's developer says it is the first of its kind to be founded on peer-reviewed research and developed through evidence-based methods. Pro number 3, Cardano staking. Cardano is among a new generation of crypto projects underpinned by a concept called proof of stake. This is a complex subject, but generally, proof of stake cryptocurrencies encourage owners to stake their holdings to help verify transactions on the underlying blockchain network. This gives owners an option to earn cryptocurrency without buying more. Crypto staking can also be a more environmentally friendly alternative to the energy-intensive proof-of-work process pioneered by Bitcoin. Curious about staking? See our list of the best crypto platforms for staking and rewards. Now let's look at Cardano's cons. Con number 1. Still in development. Creators of Cardano are taking a deliberate approach towards rolling out features on the network, and some key features that will define its potential are just in their infancy. For instance, the network only recently introduced the ability to carry out smart contracts. As a result, it will have to play catch-up to more established smart contract protocols like Ethereum and Solana. Con number 2. Stiff competition. While Hoskinson believes that Cardano is the best way to carry out the vision that began with Ethereum, the older protocol still has many fans, and it is continuing to roll out updates that will help it compete with newer entrants. Other well-known developers are targeting the space as well. Con number 3. Blockchain risks. Many people believe blockchain technology will underpin a massive economic shift that eliminates the costs and impediments of centralized services, but this transition has not yet played out, and there is no guarantee that it will. Centralized services may remain the dominant way to establish trust and reliability in transactions. To conclude, Cardano boasts an impressive pedigree and a long-term vision for its blockchain and cryptocurrency, but it is still early days. While its initial use case is as a cryptocurrency, Cardano's blockchain intends to expand beyond coins into a control layer that will provide services absent in the cryptocurrency ecosystem today. Given that it is still early days, much depends on execution of the vision.